We in India believe that knowledge shared is knowledge squared. And this knowledge which we have got in the sessions today will be passed on to several, maybe hundreds of experts throughout India. And we look at it as a starting, as an initial interaction, which will lead to further interactions, deeper engagements on key subjects, and will help us in growing our collaboration between the two great standardization bodies of the world.
See, hydrogen production, storage, transportation, and application, everything need to be driven by standards. And this particular meeting is opening door to what international bodies are following and how these standards are getting implemented in other countries.
India and UK being the front runners in this whole green hydrogen value chain portfolio, I think we're doing a great job. This is still the beginning, lots more to come, and we are geared up to it.